If you clicked on this video, stress is probably killing your hair. Let me help you fix it. देखो सिंपल है बॉस, स्ट्रेस एक ऐसी चीज है कि तुम जितना उससे दूर भागोगे ये उतना ही तुम्हारे पीछे फुदकते हुए आएगा तुम्हारे बाल पकड़ने के लिए। तो इसे हमें कालकुटी में बंद करके चाबी फेंक देनी चाहिए और उसके ऊपर से बाल भी तुम्हारे झड़ने लगे हैं। See, I'm not here to tell you like everybody else that take a chill pill, do some yoga or de-stress yourself. मैं कोई सदगुरु नहीं हूं जो आपको ये सब एडवाइस देने वाला हूं। No, it's your life. So I'm not going to tell you how to live your life. तुझे जो करना है वो कर ले भाई। I'm here to give you the science-backed solution that you can implement immediately and stop that damn hair fall of yours. इसमें से कई सारे पॉइंट्स बहुत ही सिंपल है, but there is one thing I want to tell you that will virtually stop any hair fall problems you have or might have in the future. Tip 1. Start taking vitamins. Hair vitamins are just regular vitamins that you can get from food. But even the vast cuisine of Indian food doesn't have the necessary vitamins and minerals that are essential for your hair health. I'll make it simple. You can get these vitamins anywhere. From Flipkart, from Amazon, from your local pharmacy. To pick the right vitamin, you need to make sure they have the following ingredients. भाई लोग जल्दी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो या तो order it from Taya. They have it in the right quantities that is designed for your hair health. They are not expensive. They have a big impact. और तुम्हारे बाल भी इसके लिए शुक्रगुजार रहेंगे। Go get it. Let's do a little science. When your body is stressed, it releases cortisol. Having a lot of cortisol in the system, the body redirects nutrients to the important organs that are necessary for survival, like the heart and the brain. We know that in today's world, the hair is essential for survival.
Hair is everything.
But the body doesn't know it. तो कैसे बताओगे? हाँ? कैसे बताओगे? बताओ? 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 Tip 2. Fix your sleep. तुम्हारी नींद पूरी नहीं होगी तो तुम्हारी बॉडी और कोर्टिसोल रिलीज करेगा and that will lead to more hair fall. Do these things before going to bed. Drink chamomile tea. The ingredients in chamomile tea have been used since centuries to relax your nervous system. Turn off screens 1 hour before the bed. The blue light in screen tricks your brain to thinking that it's daytime. And it reduces the production of melatonin, which is the hormone that regulates sleep cycle. Which brings me to my next point. Use melatonin supplements. It comes as capsules and gummies. And ये 100% natural and safe है. It just introduces the hormone that your body produces naturally. And it makes you go to sleep faster and increase your quality of sleep. Use Ayurvedic nasal drop that contains shatavari, natural Ayurvedic herb that is mixed with ghee. This works on nerves and releases any tension that is in your body and in your head. This relaxes you to a point where it can even get rid of mild headaches. It's cheap and thousands of people swear by it. Tip 3. This next one is kind of tough. I'm not gonna lie. And a lot of you are not going to like it. Exercise. Wait, before you click off, let me explain. It's not what you think it is. समझाने तो दो यार, इतना जल्दी भागो मत. 15 minutes of brisk walking is equivalent to 2000 steps. ये enough endorphins release करता है जो तुम्हारे evil cortisols को tackle कर सकता है. The endorphins when you do 15 minutes of brisk walking or which is equivalent to 2000 steps will not be enough for you to able to feel it. See, इससे muscles तो नहीं आएंगे but तुम्हारे hair तो definitely safe है. You can use pedometer in your smartwatches to track it. That's it. That's all you have to do to stop your hair fall. So just focus on these 3 simple steps and you will see reduced hair fall in as early as 2 weeks. But sometimes your hair fall might also be genetic. अगर तुम्हारे mom side या dad side के family में से कोई भी bald है, so there's a slight chance that even you might go bald. तब क्या करना है? That time you have to treat it differently. And for that you can watch our genetic hair fall video where we explain how genetic hair fall works and how it occurs.